Hey artists, today we're going to draw and paint a rubber duck. Make sure you have a pencil, an eraser, a Sharpie, watercolor paper, watercolor paints, a glass of water, paintbrushes, and a paper towel. It's important to have the correct supplies for this style of painting, especially the watercolor paper and the Sharpie. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and grab our pencils and we're going to start with the duck's head. We're going to draw kind of a full circle. We can go ahead and erase those lines when we don't need them anymore, but we're going to draw that full circle, and then we're going to start about almost halfway down and lift up and then curve and then come back down. You don't want to go the whole way to the circle, but you want to go pretty close, and then we'll take from this point and go in, curve back out of the circle, and then to a point. We're going to pull that back up and then connect the two. So we have kind of a little beak there, or bill, and then we're just going to draw like a curved line like this. And then we're going to draw the inside of the duck's mouth and connect it to this point here. Okay? Alright, we're going to draw an eye on this duck. I have two highlights in this eye, so I have one here and then one down here. You can just go ahead and add those in. Alright, from there we're going to go ahead and take our pencils about right here and then go around, kind of straighten up at the bottom. Not perfectly straight though. And then back around, and then we'll start here and come out, curve down, and then like this, and then we're going to go from about this point and back around like this, and then we're going to connect those 2 points. Next we're going to go ahead and draw in the wing, so I'm going to start about here on the duck, curve down, and then up, around, and back up here. From this point we're going to pull it down like this, start about here, pull that down, and then connect this one with this line here, like that. Alright, so we're going to take our eraser then and just erase this part right here. We want a little bit of the line showing, but not the whole thing. And then we will go ahead with our, also right in here, you don't want to draw that in with the Sharpie. So we want to erase that little part inside of his bill there. Okay? Alright, we're going to go ahead and take our Sharpie and we're going to go over all of the lines. You can make some of these lines a little bit thicker on the outside. That just gives a little bit more dimension. And then we will start painting. Alright, I'm done with my marker, so I'm going to take my eraser and erase any pencil marks that I can still see on my duck. Alright, I'm ready to paint, so I'm going to grab my paper towel. I'm also going to grab my paintbrush, and we are going to go ahead and get started. So with a wet paintbrush, you can kind of go around the inside of his face here with some water. Don't make it too wet, just a little damp. Like that, and then we're going to grab our yellow. I'm going to use this bright yellow, and I'm just going to go around the edges first. You can kind of let a little bit here that's not quite as dark, and slowly start pulling that into the center. You can see that it's getting a little bit lighter as we pull in. If you feel like the outside isn't quite dark enough, go ahead and grab a little bit more paint and add that. Once you're happy with the face, we're going to start moving into the body here. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in the body. I'm going to leave the wing alone for right now. I'm just going to fill in the body. Again, not super wet, just a little damp. Okay, we're going to do the same thing and grab some of that yellow, and we're going to start where it's going to be darkest. So right here behind his head will be darker, right here under his wing, and especially like under here will be darker. Along these edges you can make darker, and then at the bottom of the duck will be darker too. Up in here will be darker. Right under his face, just like that. So the parts that you can still see, they should be the lightest, and then we'll just start dragging in that yellow a little bit, moving it around like that. You can go in and add a little bit more dark yellow if you need to. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead with the wing now. I'm going to make that wet. Take my yellow, start at the base of his wing, and fill in right along these lines that we want to go right like that. Those will be the darkest spots. And then we'll take our water, kind of pull that up a little bit, and fill in just like that. Okay, I'm going to take my smaller brush for the beak, the bill of the duck, and I'm going to grab some orange. I'm going to go along the bottom here and along the bottom here, and then grab some water and pull that up. Like that. If you get too much, you can take a dry brush and pull up some of that paint. Okay, for the inside, I took kind of a reddish color, a dark red, and filled that in. Can even add a little bit of orange to keep the same type color flowing. Just like that. But you want that darker than the top part, because it's on the inside of the mouth. All right. There we go. I think I'm all finished with my rubber duck. If you enjoy doing this art project with me, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see when I release new videos. I would love to make art with you again soon. Most importantly, keep creating. See you next time. Bye.